cybersecurity app. Who am I? My name's Rayirth. I'm in the 8th grade and I'm 13 years old, and this is a picture of me when I was younger. I've made a project about cybersecurity with my time in the past few months. Why is cybersecurity needed, you may ask? Many people are getting hacked since they're not aware of how to be safe on the internet. The statistics showed that 9% of US citizens in 2021 were victims of identity theft, and this was during quarantine, so many people were on the internet. Solution: Cybersecurity 101 is an app I've made that has articles and features to inform users and help them with their daily life on the internet. App Showcase. This is the splash screen when you start the app. And then this is the home screen. There's two buttons, see all articles and action. See all articles button leads you to a page that leads to all the articles. Articles have text and images to help you learn. And at the end of it, there's a quiz, so it quizzes you on the article. After you do the quiz, it'll tell you your score with a notification. The second button leads to a features page. The features page has a password checker and password manager. Password checker, you type in the password, it'll tell you the strength and what you could do to fix the password to make it stronger. Second one is a password manager, like I said before, and this is where you can put in all your passwords for different websites. You put in the information, then after that you could just click add password, then it'll be put up here where you can edit and delete it. This is the drawer navigation, and you can go to any page if you don't want to click through the screen. And this is another article. And that's it. Technology. I used React Native, and I use React Native for building the app's user interface and ensuring it works smoothly on both Android devices and iOS devices, since React Native is hybrid. And JavaScript, being the main language for React Native, let me work fast, and I also had a large library of tools and other coding things at my disposal. My challenges that I faced challenges such as making the look of the app feel natural. So in order to do that, I asked my teacher for help, and they were able to help me find the color scheme that I was able to use throughout the app you just saw before. And my second challenge was the bugs and glitches. I was able to solve a lot of the bugs by myself, but most of them I needed help because they were big, so I got the assistance of my teacher to help me. Future plans I have for the app. I have planned for more features and mini games, a news API, so if anything like major security breaches happens, then you can see on the news API. And then I have password manager saves data and needs multi-factor authentication to access. So if you have a lot of passwords, then no one could just take your phone and look at them, because they'll need multi-factor authentication to open it. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and many thanks to my teachers that helped me from the start to make the app from scratch.